Why do I look like I'm in front of a green screen? It's supposed to be a lime color. Yo, my hyperpigmentation is actually disappearing. Okay, Rodan and Fields. Namiko, did you know that you used to live in her tummy? Namiko, did you know she's in love with being your mommy? Sing to me. Sing to me, Nami, sing to me. Wow, I really just wasted so much time singing an entire song. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Gotta lean into it. Roll that front shoulder right there on the right side. A one, a two, there you go. A one, two, three. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be following the makeup routine tutorial of one of my favorite musicians, Jhene Aiko. I think I said it correctly. I believe it's Aiko, because I always say Aiko just because I'm like, oh, just throw it out there, but I believe it's Aiko. Correct me if I'm wrong. Several months ago, I tried following Kim Kardashian's makeup tutorial, and that was quite interesting. So yesterday, which is Friday, I saw that Vogue had posted up a Jhene Aiko beauty tutorial. So I was like, okay, let me just, I think I want to do a video following this. So I'm just gonna wait and then film this for you guys. So I'm gonna watch the video and follow her routine. Me being a full beat glam kind of person, I can kind of tell Jhene is very much like on the natural side when it comes to makeup. So I thought this would be really interesting for me to follow. I have loved Jhene and her gift of singing for a very long time, all the way back to the B2K days. If you they don't know. They really don't know. If you are not down with the You Got Served days, I can't really talk to you because you gotta do it for Lil Saint. I really just went hard for You Got Served as if it was like really that big a deal, and it wasn't. It really was. Real quick tangent. Anybody who remembers B2K, whose team were you on? Because I was totally team Raz B. I would switch every now and then to like Lil Fizz or J Bug, but I always came back to Raz B. And don't you dare judge me because he is a human being like the rest of us, okay? They may have fallen on hard times, but I was team Raz B at that time, okay? Yo, I'm not even gonna lie though, B2K had some hits. I don't let you moan in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Got to Be. That was my song. Be the good, be the bad, be the guest to love that you run to. Whatever's on your mind, got to be the one that you want so, so bad. Gotta be your everything. Wow, I really just remembered the choreography from the music video. I hope I don't regret this video. Okay, let's move on with this video because this is really going somewhere very strange. Bring the laptop a tad close to my dreams.
Hey, what's up? I'm Jhene Aiko, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my daytime, everyday makeup look. First step.
Wait. The title says Jhene Aiko's Ultimate Guide to Color Correcting, but she's saying she's just going to show her everyday makeup look. Okay, let's keep watching.
30 minutes just on my eyebrows. Just because I feel like it's, for me, the most important.
Me too.
Part. Eyebrows are cousins.
Sisters.
Or, what is it?
Sisters.
Not twins.
There you go.
I'm sorry. I think that's good.
Wait, hold on. Okay, let me finish mine up. Of course, we're not going to have the same products. At least I don't think we are. But I'm just using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. And for everyone who's like, you're supposed to use the exact same products. No. When you guys follow YouTube tutorials, do you have every single product the YouTuber is using? No, you don't. So I'm right there with Jhene. Brows take me a very long time. I love fun videos like this. Like, there's no pressure. You're just chilling, hanging out.
OG Naked palette. I really love the names of these, and I'm like one of those people that like picks like a nail polish because of the name. One of these is called Hustle.
Okay, how old is that palette, Jhene? Do they still sell the Naked palette? Like the OG Naked palette? Is that still, or like what? Because I don't have it. I never bought it. I'm just going to use my Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette because I know that one, it's really, really good in terms of pigmentation and blending. My second question, are we not going to prime? Jhene, this is not going to show up on me. Like, so it's kind of Like a color like this. No primer, no concealer on my eyes, nothing.
I just sweep it across the eyelid to like the outer corner and just build it up just a little. It just adds like a little depth to my eyes. Dab.
So she's just sweeping it. I would not be complaining if this step involved some form of priming or concealing.
Each one, just a little bit. Then I put it under, so it creates kind of like an ombre from the bottom to the...
That looks to be some form of like a small shader brush kind of situation. There are not a lot of matte browns in this palette, so I'm just going to take this one, which is the darkest. I have hyperpigmentation all around my eyes, so... Jhene, can you please explain? This is not gonna show up. And it's nothing wrong with this palette or these colors in particular. It's just that when they're applied nakedly on my eye, they don't do anything.
So I use Pro Conceal, and it's actually really inexpensive. I have this little...
Wait. A whole Jhene Aiko uses LA Girl Pro Conceal. Wow. I'm shocked. Because guess what? I have that too.
I can sort of like mix it up and thin it out.
Okay, wait. Okay. Sheer and Youkeyy in the same sentence. I'm not sure how I feel about that. And I'm using the shade Toffees. She didn't take it all the way up to the lower lash line, which is not my normal process because, again, hyperpigmentation. So, wait, I thought this was supposed to be a color correcting tutorial. Where is the color correcting? Who titled this at Vogue? Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, I need to add a little bit more near my nose.
Whoops.
The water she just poured on her sponge has probably been filtered through like reverse osmosis or something. And it's probably like organic, vegan, non-GMO from the springs in an untouched mountain of some foreign region in the world somewhere. I don't know, but it's just my theory, my hypothesis. Oh, Lord, we're still not
starting
taking
to
it.
look prettier. So that means this is going.
You are starting to look prettier. I look like Rafiki right now. I can't take myself seriously. I'm sorry. If you're new, this is as good as it gets. It really just goes to show you, like, your beauty routine should definitely be tailored to you specifically. And people like Jhene can get away with this kind of stuff because her skin is already really, really, really good to start off with. Yeah, those of us with hyperpigmentation, I don't know. Yeah.
I do my foundation. I use NARS Sheer Glow in Syracuse. Just like a little bit.
I don't have NARS Sheer Glow, so I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. My shade is Chai, but I am getting darker because, you know, this location I'm currently in is quite hot. One. Well, these are big pumps, though. How much I have. Okay, let's do 1.5. Wait. Okay. She says she likes to put it on super thin, so she is not a full coverage girl like I am, which I kind of already anticipated. Oh my God. I am not going to get my usual coverage, obviously. Did she go over her under eye area? I don't think she did. I'm trying to use up every little bit of foundation that I can. It's on this thing. Oh. This isn't that bad. Okay, I can get jiggy with it. But my under eyes, though, fam. Some of my dark areas are still peeking through, but it's not like as bad as before, you know?
I just take the foundation and sort of clean up the top of the eyebrow.
Oh, she doesn't even use the butt of her blender. She uses the tip.
You don't need that.
Is she adding more product? Oh, contour.
I like to just follow my natural curves.
We're not gonna set it. We're just gonna place contour on top. Oh God. Okay. Just abort mission.
I like to create like a little button.
Wait. It looks like she's using an eyeshadow brush. I don't know if I can be that liberal with my nose contour for the nose.
This took me a while to get right. The contour.
You guys know I stopped contouring my nose recently, so I kind of do a bit of reverse contouring kind of with my under eye concealer, actually. Very light glow. I can't even see anything on her, so... Oh, great. Of course, I say that and then I just mess up. And she took it really like far down, I feel like. I'm just wondering when we're gonna set our face because, yeah.
On like the ball of my nose to give it like a cute little boop. And a little bit in this middle. So it just creates like more definition, I guess. Then I use the same highlighter and I also use it.
Okay, I like this. This is all kind of like my domain under the brow highlight there. That'll knock it down a few notches. Why is this so, Did Shop Miss A change the way their sponges feel? Because this is not how my other two sponges feel. Because I bought 10 after that video I made. And I'm just now getting into using them. And this feels hard as a rock. I do remember somebody mentioning that they may have run into production issues in terms of like the consistency in the product. Anyway, different video. Oh, now we're setting?
Laura Mercier translucent powder.
Dang it.
So this is my favorite brush. So I kind of just pat it lightly.
I no longer have Laura Mercier, but I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I don't have a brush like that. I'll just use this. Okay, just right under here.
When I'm wearing makeup like days in a row, my skin gets super congested and just doesn't like it.
This is kind of lit. And it almost looked like she covered a bit of her contour too. Yo, this is okay, Jhené. Okay, I see what you did there. I see what you did there. A lot of this probably has to do with the Maybelline powder because it is very smoothing. I mean, so is Laura Mercier, but you guys, I'm kind of feeling this. Wow. Okay, I'm getting you. I'm getting you now, Gil.
I'm gonna take the same pencil that I did my eyebrows with, and I'm gonna use it sort of as an eyeliner. Sort of extend it.
Jhené, that's not gonna work for me. Oh my gosh, Jhené, we were doing so well. This is not gonna work. Tell me if you see that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Why am I even bothering? That made zero difference. Wait, what is she using as a shimmer?
Shimmer.
What is that?
Gonna blend it out.
Okay, that looks like some form of a highlighter maybe that she's using as an eyeshadow. And then they put eyeshadow right after that. So I'll just use my same Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. I'm just gonna use Your Majesty, which is this color right here. So she's applying it like all the way up here. That's not giving me a flattering eye shape. Yeah, I don't think this is flattering for my eye shape or my eyelids. Yeah, I still don't like it. What do you guys think? Maybe you guys like it. I don't know.
It's right here.
So the inner part of the lower lash line, essentially, because inner corner for me is straight up like right in here. The area surrounding the tear duct. Let's see if I can shear it out a bit.
This
The
is
mascara.
called Aiko. And I had never heard of it, but I was like, oh, you know, the tip. I don't like comb through my eyelash with it. My bottom lashes are super long.
Must be nice. Must be very nice. Mine are too short and non-existent, so this might be a fail. See, when I try to do what she's doing, I just get mascara all over my lower lash line.
Use lip gloss and just let my natural like pink lip show. This is my favorite. My favorite lip gloss. It's called Lip Maximizer by Dior.
Don't have
it
that.
has collagen in it, so it gives a nice plumpness, and it does that thing where it like makes your lips feel like all tingly.
I don't have Dior, obviously. What I do have is this LA Girl lip plumper that I got recently, and it's tinted. My only thing is that my upper and bottom lip are actually two different colors. As you can see, you can't really see it all that good right now because there's product covering it. But usually whenever I do my foundation, I cover both of them to kind of give me a plain, even surface. Okay, hers is very, very pink.
I use my finger and I just put it right in the little dip of my lip.
Okay.
I'm done. So I've told you all my secrets, but now I've got
Shockingly, this is not that bad at all. I'm actually really feeling it for an everyday makeup look. I personally don't do everyday makeup because I don't wear makeup every day. The only time I wear makeup is when I'm filming or going to an event. I don't even wear makeup to work. Now, here's my issue. Vogue, who titled this video? Because this is not color correcting at all. There was no color correcting going on whatsoever. I don't even think Jhené has hyperpigmentation or dark spots or anything. So the actual context of the video has nothing to do with the title. And that was just a little bit like, okay, I thought we were actually going to color correct, but okay. I mean, that's fine, whatever. I was a little scared, you know, certain parts of the process. I was definitely scared, but this came out really beautiful, especially for an everyday look. It's very just chill, natural, like not too much. Very, very nice. I do actually feel like this is more tailored to those of you darn meddling kids with perfect skin who have no hyperpigmentation, no areas that you need to conceal. This is actually a look for you. I really, really like this enough that I don't mind that some of that darkness is peeking through. It kind of makes the makeup look more believable, if you know what I mean. Only thing I would say is that because of the fact that she does not use a setting spray, it is making me look a little bit powdery because that's what I'm used to. I'm used to just spraying and then it kind of melts everything in. So that's my only issue. But other than that, this is lit. Jhené definitely has me looking like a natural snack right now. You know, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, all of that, okay? So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Are you feeling this? Do you like it on me? Is this something that you would probably do? And definitely let me know if you guys want me to do more of these kinds of videos, you know, just chilling, laid back, no pressure type of situation. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit that bell. Make sure that you turn on all notifications, not some, not occasional, not none, or else you will not see any of my videos and you will not be notified. Also, be sure to follow me on social media. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Youkeyy_, and that with 2 Y's at the end and an underscore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this low sodium, gluten-free, non-GMO, fat-free, vegan snack of a face to the bathroom to wash this off so that I can go to bed because it's late right now. But I hope to see you guys in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.